Ajmal.
I'm gonna solve that cube.
Alright, okay, scramble that shit.
I'm gonna fuck up the cube. I'm gonna fuck it real bad.
Ajmal, this is the first solved Rubik's Cube of 2015.
It will. This will be my first cube of 2015. Okay. That's actually
one to ever post a video.
What's up?
What if you're the first one to ever post a video on YouTube? Post that shit immediately. It's crazy.
I'll tell you, I'm already impressed.
Yo, the music is perfect right now.
You guys are my champagne.
You have to go with the beat.
Crazy. You make like $20.
No, it's in a plastic.
It's almost done.
It's in a plastic cup, not a glass cup.
We're also gonna head out now.
Give me a few minutes to say bye to you. Not even a few minutes, a few seconds, to be honest.
Oh my god. Someone's knocking.
You're good.
Oh fuck, I messed up.
Keep going.
Hold on,
Can you finish it?
Fix it.
You're moving backwards.
Yeah, you're right. No, I messed up. Yeah. Faster.
You got it. Yeah, he's in the zone. Let him do his thing.
Oh shit.
Done. Let's see it.
I'm still very impressed.
Show all sides.
What's up?
Yeah, show all the sides. Wow.
That's 3 months faster than I can remember.
Rubik's Cube of 2015.
You gotta make it